Welcome back to YTM guys. This is Mahesh and you're watching Yellow Tech Mahesh. In this video I'm gonna explain you about how to create our own blog. As I have already intimated you before in the previous video, that is if you want to become an affiliate marketer, you must have any website or an app. Have both also no problem. But the people who don't have anything on maybe website or app, you can also give their blog URL also. So this video is for the people who wanted to create their own blog. Or else if you are a new viewer also, you can see this and learn it how to create your own blog. Okay, let's start the video. And type blogger. And this is the link. Click here. And first one, if you are already signed in, no problem. Yeah, see here, it will directly ask you to create a new blog. We can give any title here, or we can skip. I am clicking skip here. Give any title, for example YTM, and this is the address we have to give here, and this extension, that is .blogspot.com, is common, and here we can give anything. For example, I am giving here YTM. That's it. It will check the address availability. It is still checking. Yeah, see here we get, sorry, this blog address is not available. That means somebody is using that. Add it. I am giving here just to show you. It will again checks the address availability. Yeah, see here, this blog is available, so we can proceed with this. Click next. And display name, this is the name that displays on the title as a title. Okay, for example, I am giving Mahesh. Finish. It will create a blog for us. Takes some time. Yeah, it will show here like this. If you want to see your blog, click here, view your blog. And at first, as we have given that YTM123, that address will be on your web address search bar. See, ytm123.blogspot.com. See here, this is YTM. This is the name that we have given here. So finally, this is a newly created blog. Okay, if you want to post anything in the blog, just click here, posts. And you can click here, create a new post. And so many options here. This is to insert or edit a link. That means you can post a link in your blog. And this is to insert an image in your blog. And this is to insert any video in your blog. And any special characters. These are all the posts you want to post in your newly created blog. Okay, let me just show you a link here. Create a edit URL, and we can give here any, can give the text here that displays on your blog. For example, if you want to post any of the YouTube video as a link in your blog, you can give the name of it here and choose here web address or email address. Obviously a YouTube video means web address, so you will click here and you will paste the link of that YouTube video and open link, click here and click OK. It's very simple. Or for example, if I click here insert image, and if you have an image in your PC, you can click there upload from your computer, and simply you can click browse, and it's very simple. Double click on it, it will post there directly. Yeah, I don't have any pictures right now, and you can try it. I'm just showing how to post something. For example, the same as image, you can also insert a video. You will click there, and if you have any videos in your computer, you can click here, or directly from YouTube, no problem. Simply this is all the overview of how to create a new blog and how to post in that. And also this is the font size. If you want to post any text there, you can change the font sizes and the format, anything you can do it. I think you understand about this, how to create a new blog and how to post something in the new blog. This is enough for the affiliate marketers also.